Hi there, welcome back to Sawdust and Cornbread Home DIY. If you are looking to transform your kitchen into a clutter-free paradise, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to share some genius kitchen organization hacks using some common everyday items you have in your home. Let's dive in. Do you struggle with pan storage? I found a piece of black metal pipe from an old plumbing project and turned it into a fantastic solution for hanging my frying pans. I added some inexpensive plant hanger hooks to create the perfect storage space between my kitchen cabinets. This easy hack will keep your pans organized and accessible. Tired of soggy sponges hanging around? Grab some divided glass food storage containers from the dollar store. Use them to organize spices like salt, pepper, and oil near your stove. This hack keeps everything within reach and catches any drips, making cleanup a breeze. Repurpose some glass storage containers without lids. They make great organizers for measuring cups and spoons. Keep them in a drawer near your stove for easy access when cooking. If cabinet space is an issue, create extra storage for your stemmed glasses. I used old ceiling fan blades to make a hanging rack under my cabinets. Check out the video in the description for a full tutorial on how to do this for yourself. Don't overlook wire under cabinet organizers from your local dollar store. They are perfect for maximizing refrigerator or pantry space. Use them to consolidate Tupperware lids, dish towels, and even rice or gravy packets. Organize canned foods without spending a dime. Create a tilted shelf by lowering the back pegs. This allows you to see and access all of your cans easily, and you can group similar items together for efficiency. Next, let's talk about plastic bag organizers. These versatile items can do more than just store bags. Use one to organize your reusable mop pads or stack dishcloths for easy access. Place one under the kitchen sink for steel wool pads or sponges. This way, you'll never have to dig through clutter again. Keep a dedicated basket in your pantry for frequently used baking items like spray pan, baking soda, and measuring spoons. This way, you're always ready to bake without wasting time searching for ingredients. Grab some expandable stepped shelves from Walmart. Sort your spices and seasonings by type while discarding any that are expired. This makes everything easy to see and access, ensuring you're always ready for culinary inspiration. Consider using under-shelf storage baskets to keep your saucers organized above your plates. It opens up more room for bowls and drinkware, a simple yet effective way to maximize space. Try some divided bamboo organizers from stores like TJ Maxx or HomeGoods. Place them near your coffee or tea maker and fill them with tea bags, powdered water flavorings, sugar packets, a few spoons, and napkins. This keeps everything organized and easily accessible for those relaxing tea or coffee moments. If you're enjoying these tips so far, please click the like button and let me know in the comments how you keep your own family organized. Invest in a vertical pan rack from your hardware store. This will make it easier to store cast iron skillets and lids without hassle. You won't have to lift multiple pans to grab the one you need. Let's move on to one of my favorite topics: organizing the fridge. Start by removing everything from the refrigerator. Use a damp cloth to wipe down crumbs and debris. For any stubborn, sticky spots, soak paper towels in white distilled vinegar. As those soak, you can clean the drawers and shelves in warm, soapy water. A top tip is to use a terry cloth and a sprinkle of baking soda for a fresh finish. Now that your fridge is clean, let's get organized. Gather unused food storage containers to group similar items together. I love keeping a salad fixings container in the drawer with all my favorite toppings. This makes meal prep super fast and efficient. Turn any flat object into a lazy Susan. Hardware stores sell kits for just a few dollars. Attach one to the bottom of a wooden cutting board or basket to easily access spices, sauces, or other items. You can keep one in the center of your table so your family can easily reach salt, pepper, coasters, and napkins for mealtime. I found an extra large calendar from Walmart, perfect for jotting down everyone's appointments. I also picked up a pack of colorful, retractable key fobs from the dollar store. The retractable fobs hold fine-tip Sharpies securely for easy access. Each family member gets their own color for writing on the calendar. This is a perfect way to keep everyone in the loop. Next, let's discuss using small metal picture frames to create a mini whiteboard. I replaced the display paper with lined paper, which allows us to jot down grocery lists or to-do items. These frames look great on the wall, and it's a great way to keep your kitchen organized. Don't forget to snap a picture of your lists before shopping. It's a game changer for your kitchen organization. Now here's a quick hack to keep your keys organized. Mount mirror hardware onto a board or the chair rail near your family calendar. This simple addition can keep your keys in one place, making it easy to grab them when you head out. Are you tired of brooms, mops, and dustpans getting in the way? I found an affordable solution. I used 2 vintage doorknob surrounds to mount a round, unused curtain rod between 2 narrow walls in my pantry. I picked up some inexpensive short flower hangers from Lowe's. Now all my cleaning equipment has a designated home and is off the floor, and I feel financially savvy for finding such a cost-effective solution. I hope these kitchen organization tips inspire you to tackle your kitchen clutter and make better use of the space you have. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips. I'll see you next time. God bless.